Also tonight, 5 people accused of killing a Richmond mother have their charges set aside, at least for now. All 5 were facing second-degree murder charges for the death of Tyosha Mitchell. A jogger found her body in York County back in May. According to court documents, they all belonged to a gang and Mitchell was trying to leave it. Angelique Garantok picks up the story from here.
Dan, today in York County General District Court, prosecutors motioned to null pros charges for Jaquan Jones, Hezekiah Carney, Donacia Goodman, and Acacia Jackson. The judge accepted. A 5th suspect, Jamaica Langley, had her charges null prossed last week.
Basically, it means that we're not moving forward with the charge right now.
13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says when or if the charges are brought back all depends on the facts and evidence. It's unclear to the public why York County prosecutors moved in this direction.
That can be for a variety of reasons. There could be lack of evidence. There could be a witness who was missing that was important. But for whatever reason, the Commonwealth believes that at least at this time, they cannot go forward with the charges.
The 5 suspects face charges in connection to the murder of 25-year-old mother of 2, Tyosha Mitchell. According to arrest warrants, Mitchell and at least 4 of the suspects belong to the Vietnam Baby Gorilla Gang. They go on to say Mitchell was the highest-ranking female member at the time. In court documents, a man identified as Mitchell's boyfriend told investigators a group of people came to Mitchell's apartment in Richmond on May 6th. The boyfriend said 3 women started beating Mitchell out of the gang.
In other words, she was trying to leave, and the conditions were not to kill her. So somehow she ended up dead.
Deputies believe the suspects took Mitchell to York County. Investigators say she was shot 8 times. Not long after, a jogger found Mitchell's body in the woods near Old Williamsburg Road. A former gang member who got out years ago and whose identity we're protecting says once you're in a gang, it can be difficult to get out.
You don't know from one to another what's going to happen.
Again, the 5 suspects, or these 5 people, are no longer facing charges for Mitchell's death as of now. Mitchell's mother is still processing the news. She told us earlier today she's heartbroken. Back to you.
Angelique, thanks. The York-Poquoson Commonwealth's attorney declined to comment this afternoon. Meanwhile, Sheriff Ron Montgomery, whose office investigated this homicide, says he plans to issue a statement tomorrow.